Subscribe to the channel about stone cutting art. Our workshop has been in operation for over 10 years. The works of our workshop occupied places of honor at exhibitions. Some sculptures were sold at international auctions. Our channel is for true connoisseurs of stone cutting art. Subscribe so you don't miss out. The most interesting exclusive sculptures ahead. There are several categories on our channel. Examples of sculptures and decorations made of semi-precious stone. The process of making complex works of art. The subtleties of the craft. Complex techniques for processing semi-precious stones. Interesting facts from stone processing history. And of course, sculptures can be purchased on our website. Delivery worldwide. Also write to us on the page and Instagram. Links in the description.